What's up everybody, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today we're going to do an installation video on how to install one of our GLSS Garage Lounge storage systems into a Revel. This is a 21 through 24 Revel, and also for the Revel Sport. Anything that doesn't have L-track running across, you have your O-rings typically right here in your Revel. You can pop those out and then put these L-track studs into that space, and then once you install these into there, then we can put our bench seat on top of it and then bolt it down. So super easy. Probably to do this you're looking at about a 30-minute job, but not very difficult. So first thing you're going to do when you have your GLSS, you're going to have your bracket here, and this bracket is so you can go into this bolt hole here. So we have two PEM studs here. It just goes right into this little slot. So just like that, your holes right here. I want to get these two nuts and just put them on there and just get them hand started, and I'll tighten it down once I line the hole up properly. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the back side. So the back side, you have your two PEM studs. The same slot is on the opposite side right here. Can you see that? And then this will just slide right into there, and then I'll get that hand started, and then we'll set it in place. Then I'll tighten it all down. Okay, so just like that. All right, so the next thing is you'll pop we have a video, and we'll list this in the description below, a link to it, the original video of how to take out your O-rings and then put these studs in. Because if you look here, there's just these little L-track studs right there, and you'll pop your O-rings out of there. Chances are you're probably going to have a little screwdriver and a little hammer to be able to get them out, because they're sometimes they get stuck in there. So we've already taken those out. So now I'm going to grab this stud, and then this will just slide into that groove, and then kind of you'll turn it and get it centered just like that. And then let me show you with this one. This piece here is going to lock it into the actual L-track. So make sure that this goes down and locks into the L-track, and that's going to keep that stud from moving on you. So that is locked in. So now I'm going to take this nut and I'm going to tighten that down. Okay, that's good. Just get that tighten that in, and that's it. So this is locked in, super tight here. You'll do the same thing in the front, okay? And then when that's done, before I show you this, you'll have a couple options. We'll supply you with a regular washer, and then a nut, nylon threaded so it won't come loose. So that's one way of bolting it down. Or my favorite is the washer and one of these through knobs. And the reason I like this better is there's a lot of times I'll take this bench seat out. So if I go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that, I'm working on a project, I need more space in the garage, I can just take these off really quick in two spots, lift up my GLSS and take it out, put it in my garage, use this as a utility bed, and then come back and put it in. So I love using these knobs just because it holds it down tight, but also I'm able to take it in and out a lot easier. So today we're going to use these knobs. You'll bring your GLSS over, and I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to slide it right over that bolt, which is done. Same thing over here. So this side, if you can look over here, typically you're going to put the stud in, but we were working on something 3 years ago, and I ripped everything out, and I just put a plus nut in there. But typically you're just going to put this in right there. So it'll be really easy for you to take this knob and then just tighten it down. Or you'll take your washer and then nut and then do it that route as well. Okay, so now that that's in place, I like that. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down. So I'll take my washer, lift this up, maybe you can see. Nope, you won't be able to see, but I'm going to put the washer over that. I'm going to take the stud, the knob, I'll show you in here if you can get in here and see that. So I put my washer in there, and then I'm just going to spin this and tighten that and lock it down. till it's tight. Okay, so that's done. And then you would do exactly the same thing on this front. If you had your stud there, you'd put your washer, and then you would put your knob there and tighten it down, and that would be the install. So very easy. The next step would be, once you have that in, everything lines up, you get this hand tightened with your fingers first, then you come back and then you go ahead and tighten your bracket to your GLSS, right? We know everything works. It's all lined up. It's all bolted down. Now I'll come back in and tighten those 4 bolts up, 2 on each side, and that is it. The GLS is bolted in there. And again, I can take it in and out, just twist those knobs off and take it out. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to come out with install videos to help you with the installation of your products from Canyon Adventure Vans, and we'll see you on the road.